Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I bring you this simple but very tasty achomo chinchin recipe. So let's get started. So for my recipe, I'll be using salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and my new introduction ginger paste. I'll also be using powdered milk, all-purpose flour, sugar, margarine. You can also use butter, pineapple extract, and this was the cup I used to measure my flour. So to my flour, I add my powdered milk. Into that I add my sugar, then I'll mix it before I go ahead and add my salt, my baking powder, my nutmeg, and my ginger paste. Then I'll mix it before adding my margarine. After that, I'll mix the margarine with the flour until it's well combined. I'll then go ahead and add my pineapple extract. After adding my pineapple extract, I'll then start adding my water bit by bit. We want to add our water bit by bit because we want to regulate the softness of our dough. So I had to use my hand, and this also gave me a fair idea of how much more water my dough needed. So this is our dough. Next, I like to knead my dough a bit before rolling it. Why? Because it gives my chinchin an airy and a light feel when I'm chewing it. As you can see this guy doing, he's incorporating air into the dough. Yeah, that's what the kneading does. So like I said, this gives your chinchin an airy and a light feel. It makes it nicer. Yeah, nicer when you're chewing it. So this is our dough. You can see it's not too soft, it's not too hard, and this is the perfect consistency we want to go for. So after that, I cut my dough into 4 parts, and then I rolled out each part and I cut it into strips with my kitchen knife. Then I went ahead to cut the strips into bite pieces. With my kitchen scissors. Meanwhile, our oil is already on fire, it's hot. We want our oil to be hot before we add the chinchin, because if your oil is not hot and you add it, it's going to soak a lot of oil. As you can see, my chinchin is already fine as soon as I poured it into the oil. Yes, that's how hot our oil is. Yeah, our chinchin is already fine. Give it a stir. We want everything to be well fried, and we want it to have a golden brown color. So this is it. Our chinchin is well fried, a nice golden brown fried chinchin. It's ready, and this is our chinchin. This tasted so good, so good. Give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Thank you so much for watching.